Hey guys, Gamer Legends here. Me and Blake are making a new prank one. Blake has his Blake shut. And check out mine, Gamer Legends. Mine's a game, and his is a game. This is our prank channel. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna boil some water and have him put his finger in there, okay? You put a bowl of water in there for 2 minutes. Okay, and then what you're gonna need is really the prank. The thing is, you put some water, you put pepper in it, and put your finger in the middle, and the pepper will shoot to the outside. But since I'm boiling the water, it won't, and he'll be wondering what the heck's going on. Okay. Right now he's in the bathroom. Let me see. Okay. Come on. Okay. We gotta find a place to put my lights.
He doesn't care.
Yeah, he's like, I'll take it or leave it, but go down on me, basically.
Okay, let's reveal who it is. Oh, it's Eddie Cyprian.
Hey Blake, come check out this magic trick.
You know I got your back, girl.
Next up.
Come on.
Those lesbian author, they're really into
This
it.
is like a friendship that hasn't quite matured yet.
Okay, let's see who it is. It's Lohan and
Okay.
Nonsense.
What you're gonna do is
Okay.
you're just gonna stick your finger in the middle of that, and the pepper will go to the outside.
Rohan went on Lindsay, but I don't think Lindsay went on.
You got me a freaking camera?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I'm freaking tip of my fingers red. Thanks a lot, dude.
God. Let me see it. I don't know, there's some cold water. Bryce, out, subscribe.